Welcome to the chapter on the time value of money. Understanding this concept is fundamental in finance. It reflects the idea that a dollar today is worth more than a dollar in the future due to its potential earning capacity. In this chapter, we will cover the concepts of present value, future value, and annuities. These principles are essential for evaluating investments, savings, and loans. Present value, or PV, is the current value of a future amount of money or a stream of cash flows given a specified rate of return. PV calculations are crucial for determining how much future cash flows are worth today. The formula to calculate the present value of a future sum of money is PV equals FV divided by 1 plus R raised to the power of n. Here, PV stands for present value, FV is future value, R is the interest rate in decimal form, and n is the number of periods. Suppose you are promised $1,000 5 years from now, and the annual interest rate is 5%. The present value of this amount is calculated as follows. PV equals 1,000 divided by 1 plus 0.05 raised to the power of 5, which is approximately $783.53. Future value, or FV, is the value of a current asset at a future date based on an assumed rate of growth. It helps in understanding how much an investment made today will grow over time. The formula to calculate the future value of a present sum of money is FV equals PV times 1 plus R raised to the power of n. Here, FV stands for future value, PV is present value, R is the interest rate in decimal form, and n is the number of periods. If you invest $500 today at an annual interest rate of 6% for 4 years, the future value is calculated as follows. FV equals 500 times 1 plus 0.06 raised to the power of 4, which is approximately $631.24. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular intervals over a period of time. Annuities are commonly used in retirement planning, loans, and mortgages. There are two main types of annuities: an ordinary annuity, where payments are made at the end of each period, and an annuity due, where payments are made at the beginning of each period. The present value of an ordinary annuity can be calculated using the formula PV annuity equals PMT times 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to the power of n, all divided by R. Here, PV annuity is the present value of the annuity, PMT is the payment amount per period, R is the interest rate per period, and n is the number of periods. Suppose you receive $200 at the end of each year for 5 years, and the annual interest rate is 4%. The present value of this ordinary annuity is calculated as follows. PV annuity equals 200 times 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0.04 raised to the power of 5, all divided by 0.04, which is approximately $890.40. The future value of an ordinary annuity can be calculated using the formula FV annuity equals PMT times 1 plus R raised to the power of n minus 1, all divided by R. Here, FV annuity is the future value of the annuity, PMT is the payment amount per period, R is the interest rate per period, and n is the number of periods. If you invest $150 at the end of each year for 6 years at an annual interest rate of 5%, the future value of this ordinary annuity is calculated as follows. FV annuity equals 150 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to the power of 6 minus 1, all divided by 0.05, which is approximately $1,020.29. Understanding the time value of money is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Present value, future value, and annuities are key concepts that help in evaluating investments, savings, and loans. By mastering these principles, you can better manage your finances and plan for the future.